Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my Boxycharm for May. So this looks like maybe the premium box. So if you're interested in finding out what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I said, I do finally have my Boxycharm, and I do believe this is a premium one. It feels like it would be premium. The problem is it is quite light, and so we'll see. But before we jump into that, I am going to silence my phone. You can hear the pinging in the background. Sorry about that. And we will go ahead and do our affirmation card. So today's affirmation is, oh, it's a pretty picture. It's a butterfly. And so what does it say? It says, I do not dwell on others' thoughts of me. I know who I am and where I am going in life. This is a very nice card. I definitely like this one. I like all of them. I know. You guys are probably like, okay, already. You like them all. But yeah, I mean, beautiful picture. It says, I do not dwell on others' thoughts of me, and I know who I am and where I'm going in life. So this is very important, right? That you know who you are, that you're confident with yourself, and whatever you do, you're doing, you know, for a good reason, right? And for good causes. And so as long as you kind of, you know, go with that process in mind, you can't go wrong. You're doing the best for, you know, people, and you're doing things for a good reason or a kind purpose or any of that. So in the back, it says, what can I do to push negativity aside and focus my thoughts on positivity? Oh, I like that. What can I do to push negativity aside and focus my thoughts on positivity? There we go. You know, anymore in this day and age, it's really, really challenging to have a complete positive outlook on everything, because, you know, with everything going on, I mean, the way the world is with the pandemic and things around, you know, the globe, it's really hard to stay positive. It is, but it is possible. You just have to really focus on those silver linings that you see on a day-to-day. In order to do that, what I do is I try to look for the positive things in little things. I don't look for big, huge positive things because we're not going to have them every day. But if you look for things, you know, in every little issue, a little bit of positivity, a little bit of light, and look through those rose-colored lenses, I think you find it. I know I do. So yeah. That's that. And so next, what I want to do is I do actually want to do a highlight on one of the beautiful wildflowers. And I haven't done them in a while because I did pre-record everything. And right now I'm still struggling because I took 2 weeks off from work. And there's a lot of work that I'm catching up on now. So I am limited, you know, as to my time, what I can do, because I am doing a lot of my day work at night as well. So yeah. But I do want to go ahead and go back to that. And so today, this one kind of made me laugh and smile at the same time because it's cute and it's random. And I like random because sometimes the kookiest thing that somebody says, I just find so much happiness and positivity in it. And this came from Anna Gonzalez, and she posted this on Mask Monday, just this past Monday. And she said, Happy Mask Monday. Fun fact. Went to the zoo, and I've been obsessing over giraffes for a few weeks now. And so I thought that was just so random and so out there and so very cute. And it made me smile because it's just obsessing over giraffes. But what else, right? So it's great. Anyway, so yeah, I know you're probably like, okay, I don't get it. When I first saw it, I'm like, I wonder if she really literally means that she's obsessing over giraffes. So I can see that because I've been obsessing over llamas for years now, and I love llamas, and so I can see it, you know. You and I are talking the same language, Anna. So yeah, thank you so much for putting a smile on my face. So that's that, and let's go ahead. Let me get the tool here. Ta-da! Still have it. Okay, and we're going to open it. And I'm kind of excited about it because, yeah, I was wondering what happened to it because I kept getting this note that says pending, and then also, but it's when I paste it on to the actual site, it tells me where it is, but it just didn't seem like it was moving. So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, here we go. And yes, it is the premium. And how do I know that? It's because it not only says premium, but if it didn't say premium, it is blue. And so inside of the box is blue for premium, and for the standard, it's red. So, okay, what do we have here? We have a card up top. And, you know, I totally don't know what I got because I can't even remember. I've been kind of disenchanted with this whole thing lately because, well, not disenchanted. Well, yeah, disenchanted too, but kind of like I've been out there because Ramadan, you know, and everything. So, yeah, it's a good thing, but, yeah. Whew. Okay, what does this say? It says this is a, let's see, 2105, so it is version 352. Wow, okay, I didn't know it went up that high because you know how it says that the year is 21 and the month is 05 and the number that follows variation is 352. So okay, alrighty then. And what does it say in the front? It just says Flourish, Boxycharm Flourish. So yeah, and on the back, as you guys know, it does have the items that I received. It looks like I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And so let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, instead, as you know, instead of just looking at the actual card here, I'm going to pull it out, then look for it in a card. So, okay, as you know, it comes like this, and it's kind of loose in there, and yeah, it's weird how they do this. And first of all, I see something in an envelope, and it says LaRousse. I can tell you these are brushes because we get them like this. And so let's take a look. I don't remember what was choice and what wasn't. This might have been choice because I usually pick brushes if, you know, anything else. But, yep. Here it is, 3 brushes, and this is by LaRousse, and I actually do have these already. I do, because even this same kind of handle, so it looks like 3 pieces of brushes, and I will go ahead and put it aside for the giveaway because I do already have those. But let's see, what does it say about the brushes? Let's see, LaRousse Beauty on the Go set, and get ready for a cover, all of the basics with this set. This 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter, and a small dense angle brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. So they say it's, come on guys, really? You know, I mean, okay, take a deep breath. I'm not, guys, you know how I hate being negative, but I also don't like it when companies really put it out there as, okay, I'm looking to make sure I'm seeing this right. They're saying the retail price for these 3 is $96. These 3, $96. You know what? The Japanese handmade brushes, some of them don't go for that much. And $96 is a lot. Matter of fact, I paid, I think, $120, which is just a little bit more, for my 5 brushes. Yeah, my 5 brushes that are Refer. And so I have a problem with that, guys, because more and more I'm seeing that they're really jacking up the prices on here. I'm really not even sure if it's the original because these are synthetics. So, yeah, and I'm trying to, and I do apologize. I don't mean to be negative, but I do have a problem with it when, yeah, things just are like that. So, but yeah, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, the next thing out of the box is the Grown Alchemist. And again, this is like a repeat. I have like so many of these. Yeah, a Grown Alchemist. And what is this one? It looks like a lotion of some kind. Body cream. Body Alchemy. So here it is. It is a full-size one. But let's go ahead and read about it. Alrighty. Body Alchemy, Grown Alchemist. The body cream, mandarin rosemary leaf. A deeply hydrating body cream formulated with potent bioactive ingredients that noticeably Nourish, moisturizes, and soothes dry skin. It retails for $26. Okay, so, yep, it looks like, yeah, like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway as well. I don't even want to open this. Well, let's see if it's got a seal on it. Okay, good. It does. It is sealed. It's one of those that you have to puncture. So, yeah, I'll go ahead and put this in the giveaways. So, yeah. And by the way, speak of that, it matches my nails. Look, I did my nails again. I had to redo them, guys, because, I mean, when I came back from Santa Barbara, they were like, yank. They were like, ew. So, yeah, and because they chipped, you know, I was being rough on my hands. So, yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, next is Bite Beauty. I like that. Here it is, and I'm going to say, is this lipstick? Because I don't think they make anything else, do they? And this is a Midnight Rye. That's kind of dark. That's very, very dark. But let's take a look and see what it is first. So, Bite Beauty Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. A clean, high-performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. And it retails for $26. And let's see. Is it really this color? It is. Wow, what's going on, guys? I mean, it's like, this is like the third really, really dark lipstick. This almost like would work as a, yeah, you know, as a, what do you call it, eyeshadow. But I know you can't because this one's matte and sticky. But yeah, okay, yeah, this is way too dark for me, I think. And I do have a couple of ones that are matte, but not quite that dark. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in a giveaway as well. And then the next thing is the Dragon's Blood Eye Masks. Here it is. Hopefully this is full size. And what does it say about it? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, I don't want to open it because in case I want to give these away. But it is sealed. So let me tell you about it, though. Where did it go? Where'd my card go? Here it is. It's trying to run away from me. Okay, let's see. Rodal Dragon Blood Eye Mask Trio. These innovative gel eye masks combine biocellulose technology with dragon's blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect. Okay, it retails for $18. Okay, I'll give that a try because I don't mind that. Yeah. And I don't know if you guys know, but dragon's blood is a plant. Okay, it's not like really, you know, the dragon. It's not a blood of that. Just to make sure. You guys probably don't know that, but you know, I digress. But you never know. Some people may not know. They might go, oh, really? So anyway, having said that, okay, and I have another one here. It's 24-hour. It's by Too Faced. Something with a chocolate. And let's see what this is. Everything looks so dark. What's up with that? Okay, Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. This innovative, everything is innovative in this box. You notice that? Innovative. Really? This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense chocolate, scented matte color, and skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone or an airbrush finish or a pigmented primer that locks down 24 hours of crease-proof waterproof wear. Ooh, it's waterproof. It's $21. If that's the case, you know what? I want to go ahead and try it as a primer, as they say. So I'll go ahead and try it as a, oh, it is pretty. It's a very pretty bottle. I mean, you know, container. And let's see, since I'm going to use it, I'm going to pull it out and I can't really smell it that well, but let's see. Oh my goodness. It is very creamy. It's almost like you can eat it. Look at this. That is actually very pretty. Oh, now I smell the chocolate. And let's see if it dries down. If it does, I mean, this would be actually perfect for a primer for, you know, if I'm doing browns. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my primer drawer right now. So that way I won't forget about it. And let's see by the time I finish this if it dries up. So, okay, that's that. And I said it's $26, right? And then the last thing that's in here, I think this was my choice. Again, there's been so many things that, I mean, I'm picking things because that's all there is. So, yeah. Oops. Let me go ahead and roll this up a little so I don't. Yeah. Here it is. House. And I believe this is eyeshadow. And is this what is her name? Company is this? Not Gwen Stefani, but somebody's company, right? Is it Lady Gaga? Can't remember. It's one of them. And so, here we go. Oh, very nice. I like how this is domed like that. And it looks like eyeshadow, right? Let's see. Yep. And I'm going to open it up. Does it have a button? Okay, here we go. Oh, these are actually nice. Nice colors. I like it. I like it a lot. Look at this. I think this was a choice. I think this was my choice. And because I know these products are made in USA, so I did pick this. And I want to verify that. But I did look up this brand to see where it was made. And, yep, made in the USA. So, yeah, this actually looks very nice. And I would actually not mind doing a look with this soon. So, yeah, okay. And take a look again. I mean, this is a very nice palette. Very nice. Okay, I'm happy about that. At least one product out of this. Well, no, a couple of them I'm okay with. So let me just go ahead and read about it. It's by Haute Laboratories. And like I said, I think this belongs to Lady Gaga. Yeah, I want to say that, but don't quote me on that. I think so. Okay, let's see. Haute Laboratories Glam Room Palette #1, name Fame. Let's see. Unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte metallic shimmer and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. And I agree with that. This universal, man, I can't read. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every personal, silky, smooth, blendable shades range from warm palette, peach and rose gold to cool plums and deep black for an ensemble of color ready to envelope you in a new identity each time you use it. So it retails for $34. So okay, yeah, I can live with that. Yeah. So anyway, I think that's it. Yep, that was it. My favorite box? No. Have I seen boxes better? Yeah. There are a couple of things that I'm not very happy with here, but especially these brushes that are claimed to be $94 for the 3. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have to look up the old card and see how much they claimed it was before, because I actually have these. I have tons of these. If that's the case, I have like $1,000 worth of LaRousse brushes. Yeah, see? So, it makes no sense, does it? So, no. So, anyway, what did I get? Quick summary. 3 brushes. Haute Laboratories eyeshadow palette. Roll Dial eye patches for smoothness. And Bite Beauty lipstick and very dark chocolate. And this chocolate matte primer / shadow. And let's see. And it has dried. Here it is. It has dried. And yeah. And this is the Grown Alchemist body lotion. So, yep. Out of this, I will go ahead and keep the house, the Roll Dial, and definitely this here. Okay, this eyeshadow, and maybe, I don't know about this one. So, did I get my money's worth? Being that this box is actually, let me see, $35 a month, I did get my value, right? Just based on this. And so, not too bad, okay? So, before I go, I did forget to tell you, and I'm really bad about that, guys. Sorry, is that, this is a monthly subscription, and the regular base box is $25. This is $35, and every quarterly there is a Luxe box, and this month isn't it? It's next month, and it is let's see, $49.95. So that comes quarterly. But on a month that you get the Luxe, you don't get the base. So I may go ahead and just order an additional base, a new subscription, because I tend to miss out on really nice things when I get the Luxe. So yeah, we'll try that. Let's see what happens. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. I would love to have you here to be part of the beautiful wildflower family. And if you decide to subscribe, please click on the bell button and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.